morning, Debbie Jane.
Good morning, Steve.
Where are we?
We are in the Thunderbird Motel in Yass. We're just about to start our first full day in Oz. We're going to walk to Ben and Rosie's and we're going to go outside and hopefully it's cooled down a bit from the 40 degrees of yesterday and the heat's not going to slap us in the face.
Go.
Right, what's it like out here? Oh, that's very pleasant actually. Oh, that's much very different to yesterday. So, oh.
Quite grey.
Yes, it's very, yesterday it was 37 degrees. It was just like the heat just hit you. There was a breeze, which was nice. So we've said we will walk down to Ben and Rosie's apartment this morning because I think they've got worse jet lag than we have. On the route, we are going to go into Woolies and get some bacon and some bread. And we're going to make breakfast with the contents of their fridge as they start to pack up. Last night they had a power cut, bless them. They went home to pack their bags and do their last bit of washing. And they got in and they lost power for about 2 hours. So that put paid to that idea. Just a little bit about the hotel. We're staying in a place called the Thunderbird Motel. There aren't that many accommodations in Yass. They're all sort of motel type accommodations. We're walking down the main street now. It's lovely actually. It was too hot yesterday. We went up to see a sunset. It's like a little heritage town and it does lots of the buildings. There's some Art Deco buildings. Maybe we're going into Canberra today actually. We're going to do Canberra in a day, but maybe if we get a chance a bit later, or even I've promised Steve I would get up early in the morning, we can go for a little wander tomorrow because we do leave here tomorrow to start our Queensland road trip. So this is our only sort of 36 hours in Yass, but we're just walking under the arches of Woolies at the moment, which they still have Woolworths over here in Australia, and it's like one of their local supermarkets. So we're going to go in and get some bacon and bread. Catch you later. We're just walking past Ben and Rosie's hotel, bickering about how best to capture recordings of the places we go to. I've told Steve he should leave the camera running for longer, and he said that gives him lots more work, having to sort out the bits he wants to keep. But then it means he's got more to choose from. This is the bar. It's shut at the moment. But yeah, this is the main bar of their motel. Very nice. We went in there yesterday and sat in the beer garden. And actually, yeah, we have to walk around the back, don't we? Because to get into their hotel, to get into their apartment.
This third window you want to explain is where they used
Oh,
to live.
is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks a bit rubbish. This third window here with all the paint peeling is the room that they stayed in for about, wow, May, June, July, August. Nearly 6 months, actually, they lived in that room while they were working below. And then in November of last year, I'm about to get run over, they moved to a little apartment and we're just walking around into that now. So this, for family and people who are interested to see where Ben and Rosie live day to day. This is their commute. I guess they commute from the car park there down this little bit of road. Oh, we could probably walk through here. And
No, come on.
and they stay in a little studio apartment above a hairdresser's just round here. If you're lucky, we might stop and do a spot the scary spiders. There was a redback spider on each of their bins yesterday, and one of them had a spider sack of baby spiders that she'd hidden it last night. So they're going to have lots of spiders. We did say, do the bin men take the rubbish if there's scary spiders on the bin? And they said it gets emptied every week. But here we go. There are the bins. Let's do Spidey search. They're hiding if there are any by the looks of it. Hidey Spideys. You have to be careful apparently for brown snakes as well. I'm not going to look too closely. Oh, there's ants on there. I don't know if ants means no spiders. Oh, they've made a big web, look, down to the ground last night. But no, looks like the spiders are hiding today, which is good. Then in front, that's the little rental car. We've got to get all our baggage in to take back to the airport. That little balcony above with the little lights hanging down is Ben and Rosie's balcony. Maybe we'll catch Ben asleep. 10 minutes ago he was still asleep apparently. And we're 5 minutes early. We've arrived in Canberra. Our chauffeur is over there. We're at the Australian War Memorial at the moment. This is Simpson and his donkey from 1915.
Where are we?
We're at the Mount Ainslie Lookout in Canberra. So there ahead of us, that triangle, that's the Parliament building where we were before lunch. Just down below the lookout map over there is the Australian War Memorial, which we can't
Canberra,
see.
What we're looking at now?
Yes, we're looking at Canberra. That's, yeah.
It's not very big. It's for a city, for the capital city of Australia. It's not very big.
No, it's not.
Surprisingly not big.
So it's a nice day today. It's not too hot, is it? There's the airport behind that tree where we're going to fly from tomorrow, next to the big blue IKEA building. I don't know if I've got anything else to say really. I'm going to take a few pictures, I think.
Rightio.
Bye bye. We've come down from the viewing spot behind us to the lower level, and there you can see just in front at this end of the boulevard, that's the Australian War Memorial that we visited earlier today. All along that boulevard you've got different memorials to the different wars with statues, and then as we've explained before, on the far side of Lake Burley Griffin you've got the Parliament building. Alright, afternoon everyone. We've just arrived at our apartment, so we're going to do a little walk through. The Kooii Apartments, 275 Wickham Street, Fortitude Valley in Brisbane. So it's a 2-bedroom apartment. So this is Ben and Rose's bathroom here. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. So this is their bathroom, which is not attached to their bedroom. Nice big shower though. Nice big shower head. Oh, what am I meant to say? Nice bathroom.
I'll edit it later.
Yeah. Got to keep talking. I'm not known for not leaving awkward silences. Oh, look, washing machine, tumble dryer. I guess that's just the sink for the plumbing of the washing machine. So we've got everything because we're going to have to do some washing because this is our first apartment after Yass. So we're at the beginning of our 6 weeks. Then you come through into sort of the kitchen, living room, dining area. So nice little kitchen. They would appreciate us leaving the apartment clean, tidy, dishes washed up and put away. Oh, Oh, very nice. Pots and pans, kettle, toaster. We bought a, what's it called? A press coffee thing for the holiday. Dishwasher. We can get extra items complimentary if we need them, so we can just ask them for more items. We've been apparently upgraded, so this is the living area, which is going to be quite cosy for 4. A little dining table on the balcony, and we've been upgraded to a higher level apartment apparently, so we've got some views. Can't see the water, not quite sure what direction it's in actually, we'll find out later. So this is very nice, little balcony area. And then if we go through here, this comes into what is going to be mine and Steve's room. Steve has put his foot down and said we're going to have the best rooms at the different places that we stay. So this is our room with the nice full glass windows, and then we've got a little ensuite bathroom, which is very similar to the other family bathroom, except for it's got a smaller shower in it. And then if you come back through here, you're back in the living area, and then Ben and Rosie's room, which has also got nice windows and a nice view over a building site actually, very nice, on the train line. So, but yes, Kooii Apartments, very nice man Merc. We've parked our car in the basement. Not sure if you've seen the car yet. Toyota RAV4 we've ended up with, which fits all our luggage. But yeah, very nice. Probably the first of many apartment tours over the next few weeks. Bye bye for now.